My name is Mary. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Learning the Kikuyu Language with Ruth and Mary in 5 minutes. Nidamunyita ũgeni eroreri muthenya wa ũmũthĩ. I hope that you enjoyed the last lesson, learning how to count in the Kikuyu language. Ngwĩhoka nĩ mwakenirio nĩ kĩrathi kĩrĩa twarĩ nakĩo hĩndĩ ĩyo ĩngĩ gũtara na Gĩkũyũ. Today we are going to do the pronunciation in the Kikuyu language. Here, remember that the Kikuyu sounds, unlike the English, do not change. So I'll start with the letters, the 7 Kikuyu letters: A, E, I, O, U, E, O. A as in arm, E as in egg, I as in ink, O as in orange, U as in foot, A as in cake, O as in hoop. Now we put the consonants together with the vowel. We say fa, fe, fi, fo, fu, fe, fo. So B is pronounced like the English F. Sa, that is sa, se, si, so, su, se, so. Ga, ye, yi, go, wu, ye, wo. Ha, he, he, ho, hu, he, ho. You can also read the following words: fa, which means father; so means grandmother; sai, tea; savi, keys; chivo, chief. We have come to the end of today's lesson. I hope that you have learned something and you have enjoyed the lesson. You're welcome for the next lesson, which will be on the family. Nidamunyita ũgeni hĩndĩ ĩyo ĩngĩ rĩrĩa tũgakorwo tũgĩthoma ũhoro wa ndĩra. Mũririkane subscribe, like, and share. Please remember to share, to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. See you next time. Tonana hĩndĩ ĩyo ĩngĩ. Bye bye. Thiwa ina wega.